Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from Western Union to Venmo in 2025. With the latest updates in financial apps, this process has become easier than ever, but it still requires a few key steps to get it right. Whether you're helping a family member send money or managing your own finances, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have both a Western Union account and a Venmo account set up. In 2025, most banks and apps are more integrated, so start by logging into your Western Union app or website. If you haven't already, receive or send the money through Western Union. Remember, you'll need the tracking number for verification. Once your Western Union transfer is complete and the funds are in your possession, either as cash or directly in your linked bank account, the next step is to get it into Venmo. Head over to your bank's app or Western Union's transfer options and choose to deposit the funds into your personal bank account. This might involve a quick verification step, like entering your bank's routing number. Now, open the Venmo app. Go to the Add Money section and link your bank account where the Western Union funds landed. Venmo's 2025 updates make this seamless. Just follow the prompts to connect your accounts securely. Once linked, initiate the transfer from your bank to Venmo. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank, so keep an eye on any fees that might apply. A quick tip: always double-check for any security measures, like two-factor authentication, to protect your money. If you're dealing with international transfers, ensure you comply with any new 2025 regulations on currency conversion. And there you have it. That's how you deposit money from Western Union to Venmo. If you run into any hiccups, Western Union's customer support is top-notch these days. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.